How about getting ranked on the first page of Fiverr? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I'm going to give you 7 hacks on how to get ranked on Fiverr on the first page. Stay with me throughout this video. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to rank your gigs on the first page of Fiverr. Now, this is a commonly asked question, and today I'm going to share with you 7 hacks on how to get your gigs shown up on the first page of Fiverr. But stay with me throughout this video so you can see exactly how you get this done. But before we get started, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, give me a thumbs up and drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you do have any questions about today's content, post them down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer it. Now guys, if you are more interested in a passive income, one that can make you a full-time income online, then click the link down below, my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Click that link and I'll send you some more information about that. Now, let's get on with today's video. And what this is going to be, I'm going to bounce back and forth between Fiverr and this this little slide here. Okay, so I'm going to give you 7 hacks on how to rank your gig in Fiverr. And this is something very difficult because there's such a big competition in Fiverr that getting your stuff ranked in Fiverr is like getting something ranked in Google. You got to be strategic and you got to know how to rank things. It's kind of similar to your writing a blog post. So it's a tricky combination, but once you learn how to do that, it makes it a lot easier to get your stuff ranked. Okay, especially as a new person on Fiverr, it's like these people only spending $5 and they don't want to. They're serious about spending their $5. They don't want to spend $5. They're very serious and don't want to lose this $5 to whatever they're doing. So there's some tight people out there, and they don't want to spend this $5. All right. So getting these guys to spend their $5 on your gigs is what we are trying to do here. It's a goal. Okay. So the #1 thing is SEO. You got to know search engine optimization. Okay. So this is very common on YouTube, on Google. So when you're writing blogs or making videos, you got to understand search engine optimization. And this is all done by keyword search. Okay. So you do keyword search, and this is something you have to do or you're never going to get ranked on Fiverr, because I'll show you in a second how Fiverr uses search and how you can get your keywords that you need to use in your titles and your descriptions and your tags in your Fiverr gigs to make it so you get ranked using search engine optimization. So if we run over here to Fiverr real quick, and you'll see here Fiverr, right? So let's just do an instance where we search for logo, and all of a sudden you'll see logo, and you'll see logo design, business logo, minimalist. These are keywords that you want to actually put in your tags, in your description, in your title of your gig, okay? Because this is actually stuff that people are looking for and is populating through here. And if you do a similar search in Google, you'll get similar search results, okay? So this is something that you want to do in your Fiverr gig, okay? Now the next #2 hack is make first sale fast. So you want to make your first sale very quickly. And this is the toughest part, because the first sale you make, then you want to hurry up and you get it done as fast as possible and get it completed so you can get a review and start that momentum. So get that first sale as fast as possible. And I know it's easier said than done, because if you're not ranking on the first page, how am I going to get the first sale? So it's very tricky, but here's some tips on how to get your first sale. Okay, so your offer needs to be eye-catching. Spend some serious time on your offer, and spend some serious time on your logos, your video, your title. All that stuff is very important, because that's what people see when they come to your gig. So make it as good as possible. So you want to spend the most amount of time as possible setting up your gig and your video, your slide, or whatever you're doing there. You want to make it look as professional and eye-catching as possible. You want to use buyer request. You want to go to buyer request, see if there's anything in there, and actually reply to them and try to sell your gig to these buyer requests. There's always somebody in there looking for a specific thing, and if you can give them that specific ask, then that's another way to get a sale. Okay, so you could just tell them, like, hey, I'm new. I only charge $5 for this gig, while other people might be charging 15, 20, and that may give you your first sale. So, and that's another tip too, is you want to be at the $5 mark. Okay, start low. You can start charging more money as you get more gigs, but start very low, because when you're new, you need to get them reviews and you need to get them fast. Okay, so the next tip here is you have a few friends. If you know how to have a few friends, just buy some gigs and give you reviews. You can give them the money back. You can give them the money and just tell them to buy gigs. But guys, if you have friends that support you, have them buy some gigs from you and do some reviews, so you can do some comments back and forth, and you get that, and you start getting that algorithm looking at your gigs. Okay, so that's another trick that'll help you get your gig ranked faster. Okay, now deliver your gigs on time. This is very critical, because if you say you deliver your gigs within 12 hours, then make sure they're there within 12 hours. The faster the better, because if you do it, say, I'll have your gig done in 24 hours and you give it to them in 12, then you're possibly going to get a very good review, which will make the algorithm of Fiverr look at your gig and maybe rank it higher. Okay, communicate, communicate, communicate. And I can't say this enough. You want to communicate with your customers. You want to send emails. You want to reply to their comments. You want to do all that stuff. You want to communicate as much as possible. The number 3 hack is promoting your gigs. And what I mean by promoting your gigs is promoting them on social media, on YouTube. So you could do a YouTube video, sharing with what you do on Fiverr. Okay, if you're making logos, maybe you do some demos with logos and then put a link to your Fiverr gig in the description of your video. You can do this on Facebook as well. You can also do that on Facebook. You can do it on LinkedIn. So start a profile on LinkedIn and Facebook if you don't already have them. Start promoting yourself on these platforms. Forums, all kinds of forums out there. And Reddit, you can start your own blog. You can do this for very cheap. You can get a domain for pretty cheap. Start your own blog. Start blogging about what you're good at, all right? So there's different ways to promote your gigs outside of Fiverr to get traffic back to Fiverr. Fiverr very much likes that. If you're getting traffic outside of Fiverr coming into your gig, Fiverr will rank you really quick, because they love to see people coming from outside of their platform to look for your gigs. Okay, so that's just a tip on how to get you ranked faster by promoting your own gigs outside of Fiverr. The number 4 hack is be available online as much as possible, because when buyers come in and they see that little green light, that gives them a sense that you're going to work on their gig right when they order it. So there's people come into Fiverr, I do it myself, and I'll look for, people who are online. I'll search the online gigs, and pick somebody that's online, because I could order from them or I could communicate with them right then and there. So try to be online, logged in all the time, because people like urgency. And even though you might say it'll get done in 24 hours, but if I see somebody that's green right now, it means I could talk to them and see if I can get it faster. And people like that. So try to stay online as much as possible, because Fiverr likes that, and their algorithm will actually put you on top of people that aren't online all the time. Okay, so that's just a trick, especially for newbies in Fiverr. Number 5 hack is get loyal customers. So attract loyal customers, and what this means is just be friendly to your customers. Don't act out, act stupid, act silly. Don't be unprofessional. Don't cuss. Talk clearly. Give them good service. Okay, if they have a question, answer their question. Don't just try to sell. Give them good service. Give them value, and you'll start selling your gigs. Okay, because once somebody buys something from you, they're more likely to come back if they have a good experience, and they will recommend your stuff, give you reviews to other people. Okay, so that's very important, is to make sure you start building that loyal customer base. Number 6 hack is getting good conversion rates. So this is very tricky, and you know, you can complete as many orders as you can quickly as possible. And I said that earlier, right? So you want to get as many orders as fast as possible, because this builds you momentum. You don't turn down any orders. Try not to turn down any orders. If it's something that you can do, do not turn it down, because if you turn down an order, that makes the algorithm for Fiverr drop you back down. All right, don't cancel any orders. Cancellations are really bad, because Fiverr's not making any money when they see a cancellation come across. So those are really bad, and you will get ranked fast for completing orders quickly. Okay, so complete your orders as fast as possible and complete as many as possible, because that's how you get ranked. All right, so if you do complete orders quickly and fast, you will get ranked. I mean, you'll get not ranked, but you'll get put in the featured gigs on that first page. So that's very powerful when somebody gets put in the featured gigs on Fiverr. So just make sure you do these things, and just be honest, quick, and don't turn down stuff, and don't try not to cancel any of your orders. Now guys, the number 7 hack to end this video. And guys, give me a thumbs up if you feel like you got some value out of this, and drop me a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. All right. Now the 7th hack here is promotion to a higher level. So you got different levels in Fiverr. So you got like you got new seller, and I think after you hit like 10 sales, you get jump to level 1, and then it's like 10 more sales and you get to level 2. Now don't mark my words on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it said when I researched this. And just try to get to level 2, because if you notice, when you search for gigs on let's just say graphics design, logo design, you see this first page here, right? Now, top rated seller, level 2 seller. See all these level 2 sellers? Lots of level 2 sellers here. There's a level 1. So it's not like level 1's not going to show up here. These are new sellers here. You can see with no mark. So you can see you can get ranked on here even if you are a new seller. Here's a new seller on the first page. All right. So make sure that you have a very nice looking gig. All right. Try to get a 90% response rate. Okay. These are all tips on how to get you promoted quickly. Okay. If you have a 90% response rate, a 90% order completion rate, a 90% on-time delivery, try to keep these things at 100. All right. If you do these 3 things, these are what get you ranked really fast. Keep your ratings at 4.8 or above. If you have all these things and you just make sales, you will get ranked really, really quick into that level 2. I think you just got to make your first 20 sales and you'll get to your level 2. And guys, you'll be ready to rock and roll. Okay. So that's something you want to actually try to do so you can get into them rankings quickly. Now, I think that sums it up here. So hopefully you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Drop me some comments. Share my video with your friends. Let me know if this how to rank your Fiverr gigs on the first page helped you out at all. And again, guys, if you're looking for more of a passive income, one that can make you a full-time income online, this is my number 1 recommendation. Click the link in the top of the description and I'll send you some more information. Again, guys, peace out, and I'll see you again on the next video.